In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a product ID in Woocommerce. This is a handy skill for managing your online store's inventory, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll want to head over to WordPress.com, the hub for managing your website. Open your preferred web browser and type in WordPress.com in the address bar. Once the site loads, you'll see a prominent Login button. Click on that to access your account. Enter your username and password, and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your WordPress account. Now, from the dashboard, you'll need to navigate to your Woocommerce site. Look for the side panel on the left of your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Products. Click on it, and this will take you to the product management area of your Woocommerce store. Within this section, you'll see a list of all your products. Scroll through and locate the specific product you want to edit. Once you've found it, hover over its name, and you'll see an option to edit. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the product editing page, where you can modify various details about your products. Once you're on the product editing page, look for the product data box, usually located in the middle of the screen. You'll see different tabs like General, Inventory, and more. Click on the Inventory tab to access the inventory management features. Within the Inventory section, you can input a new SKU number. The SKU, or Stock Keeping Unit, is a critical piece of data that uniquely identifies products in your store. While it's not the same as a product ID, changing the SKU is often what people need for tracking and organizing purposes. Input a new SKU in the designated SKU field. Make sure it's unique and easy to track within your inventory system for seamless management down the line. Once you've entered the new SKU, it's important to save your changes. You'll find the Update button typically on the right side of your screen, near the top. Click it to ensure all your modifications are safely stored and reflected on your website. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the product identity in your Woocommerce store. Remember, while we focused on SKUs here due to Woocommerce's built-in limitations regarding primary product IDs, modifying SKUs often solves the need for distinguishing and tracking products efficiently. This process not only helps in reorganizing your stock, but also allows more precise control and management over your inventory system. Thank you for watching, and happy managing your online store.